Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Fortiva Credit Card app. If you are Android user, you can go on Play Store and find Fortiva Credit Card app. And for iPhone user, you can continue watching this video. First step is to open App Store. Now after opening your App Store, you can see a search icon on the bottom right corner. Now click on search bar and type in Fortiva Credit Card. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, or you can also find it as Fortiva Account Center. Click on it. If you have already downloaded this app before, you can see a cloud icon like this, but if you have not downloaded this app before, you can see a get button. Click on it. Now your download has been started. After completing your download, you can see an open option here. Click on it. And this is it. Following this simple step, you have successfully downloaded Fortiva Credit app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.